William Harvey is famous for describing how blood circulates the body. Claudius Galen was a Greek physician, writer, and philosopher. Galen focused on medical theories and practices. He dissected monkeys, pigs, sheep, and goats to study the body of animals. He discovered that there were two separate vascular systems. He describes one as being blue in colour and has vegetative fluid running through it, which are the veins filled with deoxygenated blood, and the other as red in colour with vital fluid running through it, which are arteries filled with oxygenated blood that's essential for the body to function. Galen's error was that he believed that unknown spirits moved the fluid in the body back and forth like waves in the ocean, and the heart just went along for the ride. In 1543, Andreas Vesalius, a Flemish professor of anatomy, discovered, as he had access to human corpse unlike Galen, that Galen's anatomy of the body was more animal-based than human, therefore pronouncing Galen had made errors in his studies and false accusations. Vesalius's detailed and realistic diagrams and illustrations of the human body were used in the first modern textbooks of anatomy. However, Vesalius couldn't explain how the blood moved around the body like Galen. They had their assumptions and theories, but no evidence. It wasn't until 1628 when William Harvey, the English physician, correctly explained the circulation of blood. To do this, Harvey cut open a snake, being careful not to kill it. Once the snake was open, Harvey used his thumb and forefinger to pinch the main vein close to the heart. He observed that downstream from where he pinched the vein, it emptied while the snake's heart grew smaller and paler. Once Harvey released the grip on the veins refilled and the heart grew and returned to its normal colour. He then pinched the main artery close to the heart. He observed that behind where he pinched the artery gorged with blood. It had the opposite effect to when he pinched the vein. Once he released his grip, the blood continued to run through the artery. He then continued experimenting on animals to see if the blood passed in a circular motion. It did. He also experimented on people, tying a tourniquet or ligature tightly above the elbow. As the veins were compressed, the hand became cold like the snake's heart, and as were the arteries, they gorged with blood much like the snake's. This proved that human's blood circulates and that the arteries receive blood from the veins by transmission through the heart.